them J's on deck. Got them J's on deck. What is good? It's your boy Seanjames. You already know what it is. Now, in today's video, I got something special for you guys. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about how to resell sneakers in 2020. This is for all my partners out there, man. All my true sneakerheads, man. All my hype beasts. Hey, man. I'm tired of y'all calling me a hype beast, bro. I've been in the game, bro. I'm an OG in this, you know what I'm saying? I've been having kicks. If anything, you call me a hipster, you feel me? But don't call me no hype beast. You might get run out. You know what I'm saying? Run up, get that up. Anyways. Oh, yeah, I almost forgot, y'all. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscription real quick. I appreciate you guys. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers right now. Help your boy. It's free, bro. It's free. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and hit the subscription real quick. We got new videos dropping every Tuesdays and Thursdays. And here on this channel, we're all about helping people make an impact on their income. So let's get into the video, how to resell sneakers 2020. Let's get it. So the first thing that you guys need to understand about reselling sneakers, and I'm sure it's self-explanatory, but I do got to go through each step, is going to be simple. It's buy low and sell high, right? So, for example, if you go to Foot Locker and they're having a sale on some Air Force Ones that, you know, they're selling them for like $69.99, so they're like $70. And then you go on eBay and you see them selling for $120. That's kind of what I mean, right? So you want to buy low so that you can get the maximum amount of profit, right? So anywhere that you can go to buy shoes for a low price. Now, I do advise when you buy shoes, you want to buy them new, right? So make sure that if you guys are getting a deal on a new pair of shoes, then cop those. Don't go and spend $70 on a pair of somebody's old Air Force Ones, right? Unless it's some heat and you want it for your personal collection, then of course, by any means, shoes, they don't have to be dead stock. But if you guys are looking to sell on some of the platforms I'm gonna be talking about and going into, then you guys definitely wanna make sure those kicks are fresh, all right? So that's the first thing. All right, so I hear this all the time. It's like, hey, Sean, where'd you get those shoes? Or how'd you get those shoes or whatever? So I do have a few friends that actually are the plug, right? So they have, you know, somebody on the inside where they're able to get shoes a little bit early and then I could cop off of them. But if I don't do that, then I'm using the app called StockX. So generally what happens is you guys can download the Nike sneakers app. You can download the Nike app. You can download the Foot Locker app. Now these apps are going to give you access to the release dates and time to be able to purchase these shoes online. So these are for all rare Jordans, Nikes, Adidas, you know, Yeezys, anything that you can think of that's hot. These are going to be shoes that you guys want to watch out for. Use these apps, man. I use them. You know what I'm saying? Most people do if you guys are looking to resell. Now, the different apps that you want to sell on. The old way of doing it was to sell it on eBay or to like sell it on Craigslist or something like that. Now you can still do that. That's completely up to you. But in order to avoid scams and scam artists and all of that, honestly, I use StockX. You know what I'm saying? StockX is solid because they do an authenticity check. They're making sure that the money is real. There ain't nothing funny. And then on the flip side of that, the customer, the person who's purchasing the shoes, knows that the shoe is going to go through an authenticity check. So that way they know they're getting a real pair of shoes, right? So it's a guaranteed on both sides. So I prefer StockX, but however, I will suggest other platforms like GOAT and also eBay. So that's where to sell the shoes. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is going to be the fees. Now, there are small fees included with StockX, just like anything. They are the middleman, like I said. So for StockX, you're going to want to be mindful of their fees. Also on GOAT and eBay, I know that they do have fees for buying and selling on the platform. Now it says here, for each time a transaction is made, StockX collects 8 to 9.5%, depending on the seller's level, and a 3% processing fee. So just keep that in mind. If you guys are newer to the platform, they're probably going to hit you for roughly about 10%, 9.5%, I should say, and then plus the 3% processing fee. So that's like what, 12.5%. If you're turning a profit though, where you're making, you know, at least 25 to 30%, that's still good. You know what I mean? That's still solid. So I just wanted to put that out there. It's not really hidden fees, but there are fees. So once you actually download the StockX, and I'm not getting paid for this, by the way, this is, you know, I'll put a link in the description so that you guys can go to it. But I'm not being paid from this. There is no affiliate marketing, not yet anyway, with StockX. But if you guys want to, you know, tap in with your boy one time. Anyways, but yeah, so the next thing I want to talk about is the payment process. So payment process is super simple. I just use my debit card to just link my debit card to the app. It was super simple. So purchasing shoes is really easy. They just take the money directly out of your account. It's pretty instant, honestly. Once you purchase the shoes, usually it'll come straight out of your account. Now, in order to receive the money, however, that's a different part. Now, in order to receive your money, you have to wait until StockX actually receives the shoes to their warehouse and they do the authenticity check. Once the shoes have passed the authenticity check, then the money will be dispersed to your account. And usually they give you about a certain amount of days for you to actually ship out the shoes. Once they receive the shoes, then you'll receive the money from the person who purchased them from you, minus the fees. Got it? And then the last thing is to reinvest, right? So that little bit of money that you guys are gonna get, that little bit of capital that you guys receive, the return of interest, the ROI. I'm speaking terms here, y'all. I'm speaking in terms. The money that you guys get is important. Yeah, you might make an extra $100 or $200 on one pair of shoes, which is solid, to be honest. You could go buy another pair of shoes, or you could go and, I don't know, go to the mall and, you know, go buy some clothes or something. But me personally, if I were to come up on some money from flipping a pair of shoes, usually I'll try to reinvest that money and buy another pair of shoes so that I can make more profit. So yeah, I mean, honestly, it's very simple. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 when it comes to reselling sneakers. Again, just to recap, you guys want to make sure that you buy the shoes low and make sure that you can turn a profit and you can sell them high. Different platforms and different apps that you can actually resell on are going to be eBay, GOAT, StockX. Me personally, I prefer StockX. The fees, there are fees when you resell. The payment process is simple. If you have a bank account or a PayPal, you can go ahead and connect that to the app. And then the last but not least is to reinvest. Make sure that you guys actually use your capital and the money that you make to reinvest into some new shoes and continue to just build your collection. You know what I mean? That's how you make more money, really, at the end of the day. I mean, you got to buy more of the product in order to sell more. So y'all know what the hell I'm talking about. But anyways, so yeah, that's what I got for you guys today. How to resell sneakers in 2020. Now, if you guys like this video and you guys learned anything, please go ahead and drop a like, drop a comment, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. If you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe, bro. It's free. I'm giving you guys new videos every single week. You already know what it is. It's your boy, Seanjames. We'll see you guys in the next one. Yay!